Hello traders, it's Sunday, December the 11th, and this is your weekly market review. The U.S. Federal Reserve will release its interest rate policy this coming Wednesday, and it is expected to hike by 1/4 of a point. However, investors have been trading with this insight for over a month. Wall Street has managed to crush resistance and run higher on a consistent basis the past few weeks. Investors who doubted the strength of the equity indexes may still believe the rally is not going to last, but they are certainly growing anxious as they watch their counterparts' profits from the bull run. The upwards momentum on the Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq has the attention of global investors and is sparking positive market sentiment for many international equities. Important retail sales data will come from the U.S. on Wednesday, which could impact trading. Asian equity markets continue to mostly surge last week as risk appetite has remained on the diet for investors. Plenty of industrial data will come from Japan and China this week. The Nikkei index has gained in dramatic fashion since the beginning of November. Although it remains slightly negative for the year, its recent climb has nearly brought it back to January 2016 levels. The yen has weakened considerably, and it is also testing resistance levels not seen since early in the year. The combination of important data from Japan this week, the U.S. Federal Reserve, and existing global market sentiment could continue to spark risk-taking in Japan and Asia this week. The euro and pound has seen volatile trading recently. The European Central Bank presented a convoluted monetary policy last Thursday, and political uncertainty in Italy continues. The European currency was relatively stable most of last week, but reacted poorly to mounting pressures on Thursday and Friday. A German economic sentiment reading will be seen this Tuesday. The pound's choppy trading developed as the mechanics of the Brexit grew murkier. Economic data from the UK was also disappointing. The Bank of England will release their monetary policy summary on Thursday, and European equity indexes did relatively well last week, even as shadows fall on the continent and UK regarding their economic concerns. Gold has continued to experience price pressures. The precious metal may continue to see volatile trading this week because of the Federal Reserve's policy statement coming this Wednesday. Crude oil finished last week hovering near stubborn resistance. The commodity should be watched carefully, particularly if positive broad market sentiment continues to create speculative trading. The CB leading index will come from the UK at 2:30 p.m. GMT on Monday. Germany will present their ZEW economic sentiment reading at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. The U.S. Federal Reserve will hold their FOMC press conference at 7:30 p.m. on Wednesday. The Bank of England will release their monetary policy statement on Thursday at 12 p.m. And on Friday, the U.S. will bring forward its building permits data at 1:30 p.m. Visit us every day for our daily reviews, trading tips, and tactics and analysis reports. We wish you all a great trading week, and thank you for watching.